Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, who doesn't like pizza? Everybody likes pizza, especially kiddos. So today I have a fun pizza tablescape. When my niece and two nephews were little, Mother and I had lots of fun entertaining them. And of course, they wanted pizza. Sometimes it was homemade, sometimes it was delivery. But we always had lots of fun. So I started collecting pizza dishes and pizza themed items. Oh, wait just a minute. Someone's at the door. I'll be right back. Okay, now we have a pizza and I'll pop it in my pizza machine and we'll look around the table. Guys, Mother makes great homemade pizza, but for today, I just ordered delivery. Looks pretty good though. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using my red and white gingham check tablecloth. And with it, I'm going to pair my red dinner plates. I also have red napkins. And for the salad plates, I have these fun pizza plates. They have a pizza chef on them, and each one's trimmed in either red or green. And I found these on eBay. For the glasses, I had these emerald green that I found, gosh, probably about 25 years ago at a department store. And I also have these cute gingham check glasses. I found them along with a picture at Goodwill. And keeping with my gingham check theme, for the flatware, I'm going to be using my gingham check. I found this set at Jenny's. And I also have some acrylic little pizza plates that we're going to use here, kind of in place of the bread plate or for an extra slice of pizza. Here in the center of my table, I've got my pizza guy. He's sort of my centerpiece, and if you guys are wondering where on earth do you find one of those, back a few years ago I was in an antique shop and I had already started to collect things, and he was in there. Like most antique shops, they carry a lot more stuff, I guess, besides antiques. And I spotted him and thought he was so cute. I thought, oh, he'll go with my pizza stuff. But he was kind of pricey, and so I passed him over. And a few months later, I got a call from the owner of the antique mall telling me that they were going out of business and they would make me a deal on him. So I went ahead and got him. But Pizza Inn was a chain of pizza restaurants. To be honest, I'm really not sure if they're still in business or not. But I know as a child on vacation, I think maybe we ate at one. Seemed like I almost remember this guy, but I don't know. But I think they set up at the front of the restaurant. And on either side, I have my wine bottles that I've made into candle holders. I put some red candles in them. I guess sort of an homage to Lady and the Tramp. I think I found these empty wine bottles at Goodwill. And on either side of the table, I also have these red Gerber daisies, just in simple white pots. At this end of the table, I have these pizza plates. I believe I got these in a gift set. You know, at Christmas time, guys, they have these gift sets, and I think this one had pizza mix and the pizza plates were in it. I find a lot of things, cute things, in gift sets, but sometimes you have to buy more than one to get a set. I believe I found these acrylic pizza plates at Walmart, and I guess they're sort of a supreme pizza. Nobody but Mother around here likes supreme pizza, but they're slippery, so the pizza tends to slide off, but they're okay for sitting around the table. And here at this end, I have my Parmesan shakers, or as my little nephew used to call it, Parmesan. I believe I found those at Goodwill. Here's the green plate. And this set of salt and pepper shakers, I think they're really cute. I found them at Goodwill. They came along with the bottle, and I think maybe the bottle was for olive oil. It was already empty when I got it, and I think they're so cute. But they look like the old wine bottles, I guess. I've also put a green bowl on the table. This is some of the old, I think it's pressed glass. This was my grandmother's. I've got a few other pieces in this pattern, juice glasses and some custard bowls, but I think maybe they were in oats or something, and I've only got like 3 of this and 2 of that. I need to complete the set one of these days. And this is my grandmother's old green pitcher. When I was a kid, I always thought it was so ugly. But it's come in handy now. It's kind of that roly-poly shape. And here at this end, I have my pizza machine. Well, that's what we call it. I guess technically it's pizza by the slice, and I suppose it's a warmer. The story behind this, I was going in Goodwill one day, and a man had it in his buggy. And I was like, oh no, I need that. The kids would love it. And so I went up to him and I said, is there any way I could talk you out of that pizza thing? And he said, well, for 10 bucks. And so I said, okay. So I handed him a $10 bill, and he gave me his buggy. And then his wife walked over and she said, is there anything in my buggy you would like? And I told her no, that I was okay. That's all I needed. But I picked that up. I thought the kids would get a tickle out of it. I think it was $20. And so I gave the guy the 10 bucks. And I thought, oh, they'll love that. And they did. Like I said, they got a kick out of it. So whenever we would have our pizza after school and they would come home to our house, like we would get out all the pizza stuff, or I would have it all ready. And but later on, when they got a little older and it was just the youngest, I told him, I said, Logan, what if we just don't get everything out today? We'll just get the pizza plates and not worry with everything else. He said, no, Uncle, I think we need to get it all out. So we did. Well, we had lots of fun setting pizzas and having pizza parties. For today, I did delivery pizza, but Mother makes great homemade pizza too. And I will pop in a picture of me as a child enjoying pizza. That was me. Mother made that just for me. My brother didn't like pizza. Actually, he still doesn't like it. I think it's the cheese. So when I was a kid and Mother made it, it was pretty much just for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.